In today's video, I am going to teach you how to scale an image in AutoCAD. If you've ever brought in a floor plan, a scanned drawing, or a site sketch and needed it to match real-world measurements, this walkthrough will get you there with precision and confidence. Start by opening AutoCAD with your drawing open. Attach the image you want to scale, type Image Attach and press Enter. Browse to your image file and bring it into the workspace. When you place it, you can click to set an insertion point and accept the default scale and rotation for now. You'll see a rectangular frame around the image. That frame is what you'll select in the next steps. Now, activate the Scale command. Type Scale or SC and press Enter. When prompted to select objects, click the image frame so the whole image is highlighted. Then press Enter to confirm your selection. AutoCAD will ask for a base point. Choose a stable corner or a clearly defined point on the image. This point acts like a hinge. It will stay put while the rest of the image grows or shrinks around it. A distinct corner is usually the easiest and most reliable choice. Next, you'll tell AutoCAD how much to scale by using a known measurement on the image. Type R for reference and press Enter. The reference option lets you define the image's current length between 2 points, so AutoCAD can calculate the correct scale factor. Click the first point on a feature with a known real-world length, such as one end of a door opening. Then click the second point on the same feature. Like the other end of that door, take your time here and zoom in if needed. Snapping to obvious edges or corners helps. Even on a raster image, the more accurate these clicks, the better your final scale will be. When AutoCAD prompts for the new length, type the actual desired measurement for that feature. For example, if that door is supposed to be 36 inches, just type 36 and press Enter. AutoCAD will scale the entire image uniformly so that the distance you pick now matches the real-world value. Keep in mind that the number you enter uses your drawing's current units, so make sure you are working in the units you intend. That's it. Thanks for watching.